Hello, folks. Good day and welcome to a special edition of series in copy trading in XM Live Education. Actually, this series in the whole program of XM and copy trading with XM. This is Stanislav Kolev. I'll be your trading expert in the following 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you the benefits of using this, I could call it, absolutely outstanding tool. So I would suggest we just dive right into it. Um, I think the most important thing is to understand who are those copy trading sessions for, who are they designed for, and for you to better align in the um, actual setuping one, which we are actually going to do in the next video. However, in the current one, we're gonna go covering it and seeing who it's for, and actually going to see how it look on the platform. So who are those sessions for? Who are they designed for? Obviously, all beginner and novice traders are very welcome to use this type of services. Why it is so friendly for beginner and novice traders? Because you will have to know nothing in order to understand what you could get from particular copy trading, a particular person or strategy or expert advisor, etc. Long story short, you don't need to have an extended knowledge neither of the trading platform nor of technical analysis. Also, you have to not have any understanding of macro fundamentals that are having very big impact on the markets. The only thing that you have to do as a beginner is go like the person that suits your risk best, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Click on copy, and you will have all the trades being executed copied into your trading account. So it's absolutely phenomenal tool for beginners and novice traders. I would highly recommend to look into it and take an advantage of it. For people that are very busy or that have no chance to spend time online. If you're a busy mom of four, or if you are running multiple endeavors or businesses, copy trading is the right thing and the right tool for you. The same procedure, you just have to like the strategy that suits you best, and you will be able to take advantage of it without spending a minute in front of the computer nor in front of your account. Of course, on the meantime, you could be checking the performance from your phone, wherever you are, whatever you do, because you will have full access to your um, account, and you could be turning it on and off whenever you wish. It's also great tool for experienced traders that look to diversify. Let's say that you're the best trader on currencies. However, you have never gotten into commodities or cryptocurrencies or stock trading or um, any other, or maybe exotics or any other instrument that you have no experience into, which means that your whole capital and understanding is concentrated in Forex. It means that you're not very well spreading the capital into different assets, and maybe using a copy trading tool, you will be able to benefit from generating profit from other instruments and assets simultaneously while you're trading your favorite euro dollar or dollar Canadian or whichever other instrument. So if you are experienced trader, this is a great diversification tool. I personally also believe that if you're an experienced trader, it's going to be easier for you to filter out who to follow and who you should not based on particular criteria, based on your experience, because you have the experience. It doesn't mean that beginner trader is not going to have disadvantage. No, but you already do have an experience that you could use as a filter to see who from the traders is best for your psychology, best risk, etc. which we are also going to do in a moment. It's also great for retirees and passive income seekers, people that have no clue of financial markets, or people that do have a clue, but they have a certain capital sitting in their bank account, eaten by the significant amount of inflation that we have gotten in the last few years. And if you're wondering what to do with the money, maybe copy trading is the right thing for you to use and the right thing for you to be done. So since we're ready with this, I suggest we instantly go into the copy trading tool in um, on the original website of XM Global. Now, what you will have to do is just log into your account, and on the left side, just above portfolio, and competitions is all the other tools that are irrelevant at the moment, you just click on copy trading, and you will be able to see multiple boxes with different people that are executing positions. There are some strategies that are automated, there are some strategies that are only forex related here. You have only indices, you got crypto, you got algorithmic, which is expert advisor, something that we do create strategies in XM Live Education. You could do and find commodities, etc. On the upper band, you could see which are the best performers, which are the crypto kings, people that are into crypto trading, high win ratio, which means that a lot, very high hit rate, people that are having very low risk into their account, which means that the drawdown is low, low drawdown. I think this is very identical, and probably you're going to see identical performance because drawdown here is 8 to 10%, and on low risk, it is, yeah, it's also kind of low here. Low fees, which means that instruments that don't have overnight fees, etc. Most low frequency, which means that very not executing too many positions simultaneously. Most invested, um, this is, I suppose, that where are the most followers. So we got 136 investors, 511 investors, etc. Um, and also you got the most popular, which are the most followed. Oh, actually, this is the most followed, most popular, excuse me. And you've got some particular watch list that you could be bookmarking some of those and having it in the watch list. And of course, you could search on all and find all here. Now, on the right side of the page, you got this filter. And I think it's going to be very useful to everybody. This filter, you could use it in order to create and only sort investors based on criteria. Let us say that, let us pick up somebody randomly from the group. Okay, let's say that we're retirees and passive income seekers. So obviously those people, they don't want to really um, make ton of money, but the idea for them will be more to preserve capital. We're just assuming maybe they want to double um, their savings. Let us assume that they just want to preserve their money. Accordingly, they want to seek somebody that is having some very low risk, so let's up until 5, and fees up until, let's say, 15%. Minimum investment, you could go, um, let's say, 1,000, or if you keep it at 0. And also, probably those people are looking into seeking for a trading strategy that is created from algorithm or supervised algorithm. They don't want to risk their capital into human mistake or human psychology, and rather use it just plain like this. So let's click on save and see what we get here. Right, I'm just going to randomly click on the first one, which have generated 20% return in the last month. So we're going to click on it. On all time, actually the person generated 42%. Person started trading in the beginning of February, and we have very tiny little bit of a drawdown. You could see on the right side how many trades are profitable, how many trades are losses. So you see 66% of the trades are winners, 34 are losers. The best win is $189, where the worst rate is $72.97, which means that he has some very stable risk to reward ratio. He is aiming, he has twice more winners than the losers, plus his best trade, it is more than twice rewarding than his worst trade. You could also scroll down, you could see what type of leverage he used, the minimum investment in the account, which means that you will have to deposit at least $2,000 in order for you to be able to copy this particular person. We also have seen the drawdown recently, and we got the on close position, he's mostly trading euro dollar as we see here, euro dollar, euro dollar, euro dollar. So this is an expert advisor or supervised algorithm that is mostly following euro dollar, that have very good hit rate and have very tiny drawdown. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bookmark it, and we're going to add it this way into our watch list. So we get back and we're going to find another person. Let's check the next one. Let's say that we like, okay, let's click on the second one. On the second one, high risk, high return, but at the same time, the drawdown was not very much. His best rate is $11, worst rate is -6. So it's all about 1 to 2 risk to reward. We also are anticipating winning trades 80%, losing trades 20%, and on all type performers, we started with a little drawdown, but this person seemed like it's making money. He's trading mostly currencies, which I can say for a retiree probably will be the best thing. Minimum investment requirement, it is $100, fees is 10%, and leverage, it is 1 to 500. As you could see from his portfolio, he's trading majors, which are kind of pretty, I cannot use the word really safe, because of course, obviously there is a risk in all of that. However, um, they are not as volatile and as unpredictable, let's say, as crypto or as um, exotic currencies or Turkish lira related or etc. So we're going to add the other guy here. And the best part is that you don't need to only follow one single person. You could follow multiple of those traders simultaneously. And currently, we made just very tiny little bit of filter. We filter out very low risk with very low fees. Now, this being said, in if you're having a bigger risk appetite, you could increase the risk score up until 10. And if you click on save, you will be able to see completely different people. Let's select this one, Golden Pack X. There is an expert advisor code this way. I'm not sure if this is the one that's creating gold. Yes, it is one of the coders that I personally know that is creating this one. What a coincidence. Um, and you could see the drawdown here is pretty deep, but you have way bigger performers. You have from the last few days, you got 215 performers into this account. Nandam, hey, may I know if I'm doing copy trade with the account, I could be able to execute any position from me again? Yes, absolutely. I personally believe that you are not going to have a restriction if you are using the account simultaneously. And in the next session and in the next video, Nandam, I will be having a fully dedicated session of how to copy positions, and I will be connecting my personal account into some of those. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.